Today I'm taking on the challenge of moving some of phone photos to Google Drive to free some much needed space. Let's see if I can do it without losing any memories. We all love capturing moments with our smartphones, but let's face it, storage can fill up quickly. Photos and videos take a lot of space, and before you know it, we are getting those annoying storage full notification. It is frustrating, especially if you still need to take more pictures or record a video. The thing is, most of us don't go through our photos and delete the ones we don't need. We just keep them thinking we might need them someday. But the truth is, most of us won't look at them again. So they just end up taking up valuable space on our devices. Running out of storage can be a real pain. You can't take any more photos, can't download any apps, can't even receive emails. It's like your phone is holding you back. And it is not just about space, it is also about being organized. When your phone is cluttered with photos and videos, it can be hard to find what you need. I've been there too, with a phone that is constantly full, but I have found a simple solution that has made a big difference. Moving my photos to Google Drive. It is a cloud service that lets me store my files online so I can access them from anywhere and free up space on my device. To transfer photos from your device to Google Drive, you go to your device, locate the gallery app. This is the one. As I'm scrolling or swiping, I open up my gallery. Okay. Now I'm going to identify the photos that I want to take to my drive. Okay, so you select them by pressing and hold. I'm selecting the photos. These are the ones that I want to transfer. Okay, just as I have done that. All right, then at the bottom here, I'm going to go to where it says share. Press on share. All right, so now on the next menu here on my device, I'm going to click or press my drive. Okay, I press my drive, so you can see it is preparing to send them there. So now they have been taken to the Google Drive. All right, alternatively, we can go back and go to the gallery again. You click on gallery, then you select the photos that you want to move to the drive or Google Drive. Right, and let me select them. Right, I have selected them. Then go to share here at the bottom, press share. Okay, and then from this menu here, I can now choose to go to more. Press on more, then I must locate my drive. This is my drive. I click on my drive. There are the photos. You can see they are selected. Okay, right, as they are there, I'm going to go to where it says upload. Press upload, preparing to upload. So it means now those photos have been uploaded to the Google Drive. So remember, the main aim or the main purpose of this activity is to free up space on your device so that some of the photos or the videos are stored in the drive instead of the device, because the device can be full sometimes. Okay, right, and then now look for those photos in the Google Drive to indicate to you that they are now saved in the drive. To check the files that I've just uploaded to my drive, remember I have just uploaded the photos in order to free space on my device. I'm going to go to Google Apps on my device or on my Android phone. There we are. Then we're going to look for the Drive app. I've pressed on the Drive app. Then I need to scroll down. I have folders that are having some other files inside. Then we also have the standalone files. So I'm looking for the photos that I have just uploaded. You see, these are the ones that I've selected. These are the ones that I've just uploaded. So now they are in my Drive. So by so doing, I have managed to move the photos from the device to the Google Drive. So in other words, it is now possible for me to go back to my device and delete those photos in the device, knowing that they are now saved to the Google Drive, and whenever I need them, I can go back to the Drive and download them back to the device. So this is an exercise which is intended to make sure that you free up space on your device, so that your device is not cluttered with many files that sometimes you may no longer be using. So therefore you find that you want to install an app on your phone, but it's not possible because the space is not enough. So I think it is a practice that we need to keep on doing to make sure that our device has enough space to install or to save some of the important files. So this is only going to be possible when we ensure that we free up space by moving some of the files to the cloud-based storage system, such as the Drive, whereby it will be possible for us to access those files wherever we are at any given time. So we are not going to be only restricted to access those particular files when we are on our mobile. Sometimes you might find yourself working on your desktop or on your laptop or tablet. Okay, so if you are using the very same account in terms of your Gmail account, which is gonna be making it possible for you to have the Drive, you will be able to access your files in the form of videos, pictures, and the others which are located in the Google Drive. So being in any of the mentioned devices, it will make it possible for you to access those pictures. In this instance, we're talking about pictures. You will access them from any of the device because the files are stored on the cloud-based storage system, which is easily accessible as long as you have internet connection wherever you are. So thank you so much for being part and parcel of this particular video. So if you think this content was useful to you, take your time to like, and then comment, and also subscribe to this channel, so that whenever we receive videos in future, you can be notified about those latest videos. Thank you so much.